Hello everybody, this is Charles Anderson. I'm just a guy from Goodwill and I've got a really great video game idea. I'm working on my toolkit for the Tone God GUI and yeah, I was just I'm been learning about children, getting that all up and going. I'm just really dropping this line because I took a wrong turn on my programming logic because I went with the for the nodes. I wanted child nodes for my um, oh module for my file type, so that it would, even though it has the other two files glommed onto it, it would reflect those files. So what I did is I went and I was like, you know what, data objects. Yeah, I think I'll base the programming logic around data objects, and it's not really that great of an idea because yes, here's my data object. Oh, hey, I've got some actions, all that good stuff. But the context is still set for this, and it shows up here as well. So this file, yeah, it's actually this file which is supposed to be glommed on. I didn't even try Java because I'd actually was starting to do the workaround, to get the Java icon and node to show up right here, and to be able to pull it up in its own editor. But then I was like, that does not seem to be a viable solution, and mainly because I was doing my reading and oh, remove dependency on Java data object. What? Not since 6? Oh, seriously? Ha 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 ha. So, I think I'll just. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Child Factory. Yeah, that's what I've been. That's where I've been pumping. So I had data objects in my tgve data objects were that it's I was going to generic cast to multi-data object and then do some workarounds, but that does not seem to be the way I should be going with this. Rather, I'm going to try and just go with the file objects, out of the file entries, and work with the data that way, and then I guess use that API. I like that because it's the Java editor support. So, and I've come across that because it was hilarious. What I was trying to do is workarounds to get the Java data object, but I made my decision when I was like, oh, wow, looks like JME just well, with NetBeans, and it's here and here. I don't want that behavior. So yeah, I'll just do it some other way. So that's where I'm at. It's December what 11th? Yes, December 11th, and I'm still typing away. I feel like such a slow grammar, but meh, I keep going. All right, later, y'all.